friends, Miss Wendy here with the Fairfield Public Library, and today we are going to be making a yarn doll. Come join me and I'll show you how to make it. So friends, in the kit that you picked up at the library, you will find one ball of solid color yarn, one smaller ball of multicolored yarn, and these colors may vary. You'll also find a piece of chipboard, and you'll also need some additional items. Scissors for sure, and markers are optional. All right, let's go ahead and get started. So the first thing that you will need is the chipboard and the larger ball of yarn. So go ahead and take the tape off of that. If you want, you can, this is where you're gonna start wrapping. You can put the tape on there and just start wrapping. Now, this is a very flexible. What you want to try and do is keep your yarn very loose. So as you're wrapping the yarn around this chipboard, you want to wrap it the long way, okay, not the short way, but the long way for right now. And you want to do it pretty loose, okay? You want to try to make sure that this stays flat and doesn't bow, okay? So go ahead and wrap as many times as you can for as much yarn as you have. Okay, so my chipboard did bow a little bit, but you see if I straighten it out, it does straighten out. Okay, so that's fine. And now what you want to do is unwrap. So we're going to unwrap 4 times. So we'll say 1, 2, 3 times. Here. Okay, so we have this extra yarn. We're going to need this yarn. And we'll end it where we started, where our tape is. Okay, so cut that off. And now we're going to cut off a length of this yarn, and at least as long as this, okay, but maybe even a little bit longer. And then what we're going to do, just come to the middle here, and then we're going to tie it. Okay, so we're going to knot it. So 1 tie, and try to keep it pretty tight, okay? So that's 1. If you need somebody's help, or if you can do it yourself, put your finger there so that you can make the next knot and tie it tight. Okay, so it's pretty tight. All right, and then we're gonna slide this off here. You can take the tape off. All right, and this part here is going to be your doll's head, where you tied the knot. That's gonna be your doll's head. So just go ahead and keep this here, and then we're gonna cut this loop. Okay, we're gonna cut this loop. So grab your scissors and just little by little take your yarn and pull it, holding this part, pull it and cut. So we're just cutting this loop. So going in and pulling up and cutting. And here's one more and cutting. All right, so we've got, if there are any longer ones, you can cut that off. You can save it just in case we need it. So this is going to be the head, as I said. Grab some more of this yarn, another length like this about. Smooth these down. All right, so to make the head, we're just going to come down about 1 inch or so from the top and take a piece of our string here and tie once. And again, if you need someone to hold your first tie, grab a grown-up or someone else for a finger and then tie the second knot. All right, pretty good. All right, and now we're gonna make arms, and we'll pull out some yarn from here to make our arms. I have about 16 here, and what I'm gonna do is just go ahead and braid this. If you don't want to braid your arms, you don't have to. You can just go ahead and use a tie and tie off the end. So you can have arms that look like this. I'm just gonna show you. Okay, and then you'll cut so that this hand ends about here. But if you want to braid it, you can go ahead and do that. Take this in 3 even sections. 1, 2, and 3. You can count the strands. You can just do it by feel. So however you want. 3 even sections, and you'll start to braid. And if you don't know how to braid, you have 3 even sections. We're going to take the outer section and go over the middle section so that the middle section becomes the outer section on the right hand side. I start braiding on the right hand side. You might start on the left. So then your outer section on the other side comes over the inner section, and then that becomes the outer side, the outer section. So you're gonna just keep doing that as tightly or as loosely as you'd like. The tighter the braid, the more posable your arms will be. So you can just keep braiding over and over, over and over. And when you get down to the end, or almost, tie off your hand. Now I'm going up my braid a little bit because my braid is a little bit long, and what I'm going to do is just tie this off here and tie it again. Okay, and then these will become part of the hand, and what I'm going to do now is do a little trim for the hand. So I'm going to cut these off, these ends. Watch your fingers, okay? Okay. All right, and now, so that we're ready with a piece of yarn, go ahead and cut a small piece off because you're going to do another tie on this side as well. So go ahead and section off 3 even sections and braid. Okay, and you want to make your arms even, so just go ahead and make sure that they're pretty even, and then go ahead and tie off. All right. And then I'm going to go ahead and trim the hand. All right, so there are my doll's hands. Now I'm going to make the body of my doll. Go ahead and comb out the bottom part flip over and comb out the bottom part. Now I have one strand here. I'm just going to cut it off. Okay. Take some of that yarn that we saved. About this size. I'm going to use this. And I'm going to make the waist just a little bit bigger than the head, so about there. I'm going to tie it. Okay, and these can become the legs. Now, if you want, you can be done right now, and this would be your skirt, and you can just trim it. But I would like to go ahead and have 2 braids for legs as well as 2 braids for the arms. So I'm going to go ahead and section this into 2. If you don't want to braid the legs, what you can do, and these are the last 2 ties that we're going to use. So go ahead and cut your rest of your string in half. And again, if you don't want to braid the legs, you can just tie them off like that, and that would be your doll, and that would be fine. What I am going to do is braid my legs, and it's going to be a little bit of a looser braid. So I'm going to go ahead and take that string, and I'm going to tie that off. And I can go ahead and trim that off. All right, and go ahead and braid the other side. And when you run out of yarn to braid, go ahead and tie it off. And go ahead and trim. All right, so there is your doll. Now you can stop here. If you want, you can put a face on your doll. I'm going to use a Sharpie actually and put a little eye on my doll. If you have something that you want to use for eyes, like buttons or something like that, you can go ahead and glue those on. And a little mouth here. All right, so there's my face. Now, if you want, you can put hair on your doll. You don't have to. You can leave it like this, but if you want hair on your doll, then go ahead and take the small bit of yarn. Use the small side to wrap. So we're gonna start here and just wrap around until we're done with the yarn. We're gonna unwrap 3 times, cut, and we'll take that tape off. We'll go ahead and cut up a fairly big piece, the long length of the cardboard. Go ahead and slide it underneath, and go ahead and tie it on top. Twice. All right, and then slide it off. And again, we're going to cut those loops. So make sure that you have this part, that's going to be the top, and then just cut these loops. Now this is going to be your doll's hair. So how we tie it on, okay, with the remaining yarn, what we're going to do is from front to back, make a little opening in your doll's head, and put the yarn through it, that one strand. Okay, very good. And now go ahead and put your doll's yarn, your hair on top, and then what we're going to do is just tie it on just like that. So that's like going to be your doll's part. So we're going 1 and 2. All right, and you can keep this, if you want, you can cut it off. If you want your doll to hang up, I suggest keeping this to hang up your doll. If you do want it to hang, then you would have to make a little knot right here. So go ahead and tie it like that and push it as far as you can, like that, okay? And then if you didn't want that, that's okay. You could just cut it off, and then you could style your doll's hair. So these pieces are a little bit longer, and I think I'm going to give her a little bit of a trim. Actually, I kind of like it like that. So there's my doll with her hair. All right, so remember, friends, to clean up, put everything away, and then you could go ahead and play with your doll. Woohoo! So friends, I hope you had so much fun making your yarn doll, and I hope to see you here at the library. Please join us here or online for more DIY crafts, and please check our calendar for upcoming programming. Have a great day, friends. Thanks so much for joining me. Bye-bye.